to a video, and today I'm with my friend Henry.
Hello.
My friend Carmen. And today we're gonna be doing and Pudge. Wait, where's Pudge? There. And today we're gonna be doing dun slide.
I'm going first.
Okay. First we have to go into Carmen's.
No, we're going right here. That's why I moved everything.
Okay. We're going on this table. First, Carmen goes with hers.
Then Roman, then Henry.
This is mine. I don't really do much, so yes, and then we'll do other stuff.
Okay. Here's my first slime, and it's $5 if you want it. Just saying.
We're not selling things.
Oh, okay.
God.
You'll get abused.
What?
You'll get abused on YouTube.
No. Yeah. No, I won't.
Yeah,
China.
Get reported.
They can if they're doing on us. Unauthorized stuff.
Okay, here's my slime. Ready?
Yeah.
So far.
Hers is way better than all mine. So
Pudgy.
let's see the stretchability.
Stretching.
No.
Pudgy.
Give me one part.
Okay.
I'm gonna go down the steps.
Okay.
Ready?
It's gonna break and then hit the ground.
Would
Oh, it is gonna break.
Henry, just make sure it doesn't hit the ground.
Oh god. You're not even showing. Okay.
Oh my God!
Oh no! Take it.
Okay, so that is a length about
5 feet.
No, 2 feet.
Oh. Hey! Move your stuff.
2.5 feet. Yeah.
Now it's Henry's second slime. Henry's first slime.
So this is Henry's first slime.
I'm not gonna do my really heavy one.
Whichever
That one will literally just destroy it.
I forgot to tell you guys that we're testing the durability, so like the stretch and the pop,
this one.
the pop in this slime. Whoa! We have to do the official test. So
Here, I'll hold one.
first do the pop.
No.
Henry will hold it. And
No, you will.
And then you go down. Carmen, make sure it doesn't hit the floor. Now.
Ah!
So far we are at 1, 2.
Wait, will we make it all the way down? Oh my god. Get it, okay.
All the way down.
Get it. No!
Okay, oh my God! No! Okay, so that is approximate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps.
No, that's 9 feet.
9, so 9 feet in all.
I believe it.
Now my first slime. Make sure it's pointing on.
Ever made?
Ever made. Seriously, I haven't made any slime.
But I gave him this one, so not this one. He's never made a slime before, but this is his first one. He made it today.
Ew, it's all like, it's weird feeling. If any of you don't know what slime feels like. So,
I hate it when YouTubers always mention what stuff feels like, because we can't see it.
you can't feel it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're siblings.
Hey. Ew.
Peace.
Not show that. What the? Okay. So, Henry, I need you to
Oh,
grab.
peace.
No. Give me the camera.
We're not done yet.
Wait, Henry, I need you to grab this.
All the other one videoing.
Yeah, you make sure, but also make sure that it. Also make sure it doesn't hit the ground.
Make sure. Oh my god, I only have one hand. Oh my god.
Henry!
Get this one quick. This one's terrible.
Okay.
No, Roman! Get it off me. Roman, no!
My figurine, I'm pretty sure this would make 9 feet because of the
It's all over my
stretch.
hands.
And, Henry, give me my slime back.
Okay.
And,
here's some of your slime.
you dropped it on the...
Oh my god. Okay, guys, so this is my second slime.
that was my